Now we will learn how to do post or create new pages for the website. Go to this page section, add new, or you can create this button to create new pages or post or any kind of new items to be added. So here is the section to add new page. For example, we will add a page that is contact page. Contact us. Now we have to install a new plugin named Contact from 7. Go to new, go to add new, type Contact from 7. This is the plugin. Install now. Activate. This is the plugin. Add new. You can see this is the format of the contact form. It's okay to go with. Click on contact form. Here is the short code. You have to paste this code on the page where you want to see the contact form. For example, we are going to create this contact us page and we will paste the code here. Click on publish. It's updating. So here we go. Visit page. Here is our contact form. It looks really nice. So go back to the page and now we will create another page from this section. For example, we will add a page regarding about us, and you have to type your text here. For example, here is the text. Click on publish. Let's view the page. Here is the page. In this way you can add all of the desired pages that you need to add to your website.